The path from having nothing to becoming a billionaire is a complex and challenging journey that requires more than just luck. It demands a unique combination of skills, mindset, and strategic thinking that sets extraordinary individuals apart from the rest of the world. Most successful billionaires begin with a powerful vision that goes beyond personal wealth. They are driven by a desire to solve significant problems or create something revolutionary that can transform industries. This vision acts as a compass, guiding their decisions and helping them overcome numerous obstacles they will inevitably encounter. Education plays a critical role in this transformative journey. However, true learning extends far beyond traditional classroom settings. Successful entrepreneurs understand that knowledge comes from diverse sources: books, experiences, failures, mentors, and continuous self-improvement. They remain perpetually curious, constantly seeking to understand emerging technologies, market trends, and innovative business models. Risk-taking is an essential characteristic of billionaire mindset. Unlike many people who fear failure, these individuals view setbacks as valuable learning opportunities. They understand that each failure brings them closer to success by providing insights and revealing strategies that do not work. This resilience allows them to adapt quickly and pivot their approaches when necessary. The most successful billionaires are masters of identifying and creating opportunities where others see challenges. They possess a unique ability to recognize market gaps, anticipate consumer needs, and develop innovative solutions. Whether it's developing groundbreaking technology, reimagining existing services, or creating entirely new business models, they transform problems into profitable ventures. Networking and relationship building are fundamental to their success. Billionaires do not operate in isolation. They cultivate relationships with mentors, investors, industry leaders, and talented professionals who can provide guidance, support, and potential collaboration opportunities. These connections often become instrumental in scaling their businesses and accessing resources that accelerate their growth. Financial intelligence separates truly successful entrepreneurs from ordinary business people. Understanding complex financial mechanisms, making strategic investments, and efficiently managing resources are crucial skills. They do not merely earn money but create sophisticated systems that generate continuous wealth. Reinvesting profits and diversifying their income streams. Moreover, many billionaires recognize that true success extends beyond personal wealth accumulation. They increasingly focus on creating social impact, using their resources to address global challenges, support education, fund technological innovations, and contribute to sustainable development. This approach not only enhances their legacy but also creates additional opportunities for growth and influence. Technology and globalization have dramatically transformed the landscape of wealth creation. Modern billionaires leverage digital platforms, artificial intelligence, and global markets to scale their businesses rapidly. They are quick to adopt emerging technologies and understand how to use them strategically to gain competitive advantages. The journey to becoming a billionaire is neither straightforward nor guaranteed. It requires an exceptional combination of vision, skill, determination, and adaptability. While not everyone will achieve billionaire status, the principles and strategies employed by successful entrepreneurs can inspire individuals to pursue extraordinary achievements and create meaningful value in their chosen fields. Ultimately, the path from zero to billionaire is about more than money. It is a testament to human potential, innovative thinking, and the ability to transform challenges into opportunities. It represents the power of persistent effort, strategic thinking, and an unwavering commitment to personal and professional growth.